So I'm hoovering in my bedroom on the sofa, and it's making a weird ass noise when you switch it off. Get this. I have no idea what it is. Again. I know it's coming from down here. Strange. And it's a Dyson DC-40 Animal, if you're wondering. Tiny little fucking thing on it. No idea what's causing it. Must be some. Must be this. Don't know. No idea. Yeah, compared to the old ones, these ones are a bit like a bag of shit. And cost twice as much. I've been running for a couple of minutes now, all sorted. What the fuck causes that? It's funny.